be doing a hair review. So today I'm going to be doing a hair review on Kendra's Hair Boutique. So I ordered this hair maybe last week on a Tuesday, and I got the hair on Monday. So the shipping was really quick, which I'm very impressed with. So let's get right into the review. So with the hair comes in this little sack here. I took all the hair out. It just says Kendra Hair Boutique, and it has her website on the bottom here. On the back, it has I'm a hair barb. So we don't know, Kendra. Let's see if I stay a hair barb after I wear this hair. But yeah, so this is the bag that it came in. Really cute. It also came with these pamphlets here. It came with this particular pamphlet here. Has her name here and a picture of her. And the inside, it has ways to care for the hair and more products that you can buy for the particular hair. And on the back, it just has information on how to contact her. So this is really cute. It also came with this pamphlet here. It has her bundle deals. Particularly for me, I ordered the 4 bundle deal. So I ordered 4 bundles because I wanted my hair to be really full. As you can see, I like big hair. So I did 4 bundles. So with the 4 bundles, I ordered 2 22s and 2 24s. It sounds like a ride and a don't, but yeah. So those are the bundles that I ordered. So let's get right into the hair. So the first particular hair that I did take out was the 24-inch. So as you can see, this is a 24-inch. I ordered body wave. So this is supposed to be the body wave. I'm not impressed with the body wave. Look like they just took it off the floor and threw it in the packet, but for the most part, the feel of the hair is really good. As you can see, it's flowing through my hand. So I feel like it's gonna be really good hair. The flow is really good. There are a couple of flyaways within the hair. I don't know if you can see that. But there are just a couple of flyaways with the hair. One thing I did notice about this hair is that it does have a smell. I wouldn't say that it's a stinky smell, but there's definitely a smell to this hair. So if you wear this hair, definitely wash your bundles because it definitely has a smell to it. But as I say, my first impression of the hair, it feels really good. It feels like it's gonna hold up really well. The quality seems good. Let's take a look at the ends. The ends look like they're really good as well, if you guys can see that. But yeah, this is a 24-inch. Like I said, hair feels good in my hand. The only thing is it does have a smell to it, so make sure you wash your bundles. So this particular one is the 24. Alrighty, let's look at the 22. Alrighty, so this is the 22-inch, if you guys can see that. Like I said, it's supposed to be body wave. It doesn't look much of a body wave. To me, it look like they just picked it off the floor and threw it in the bag. But I don't even care about that as long as the bundles work well in my hair. It doesn't shed that much. I'm fine with it, period. But this is the 22. You guys can see that's the length. I guess it's the length that it'll be on me. But this is a 22-inch. And it seems like it's going to be a really good hair. Like I said, as I'm flowing my hands through it, it feels really easy to flow. As of now, I don't see much shedding. But like I said, I won't know that until I actually wear the hair. Here is what the weft looks like. The weft looks pretty good. So yeah. Looks like pretty good hair. So this particular hair, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's not really black. In person it looks brown. So for me, I'm gonna dye the hair jet black, and I'll take you through the whole process of how I dye the hair and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna dye this particular hair jet black. As I can say, as of now, the hair look like it's really good hair. So just continue to stay tuned and I'll show you how I rock this hair. Alrighty guys, so this is the hair finally done. So this is the hair from Kendra's Hair Boutique. Stylist curled it. So as you can see, it's black. And so far so good, you know. I just need to wear it for a couple of months or weeks and see how it is. But it curls really good. I got my hair curled maybe an hour ago. Maybe not even an hour. Maybe like 2 hours ago I got my hair curled and the curls are still lasting. So that's one thing too. When you don't get good hair and they curl your hair, the curls never last. But these curls are lasting, boo. Like, it's still up, still pump, it looks good. Yeah, so stay tuned. Alrighty guys, so this is a 2-month update on Kendra's hair review. Well, it's about 2.5 months, and baby, this hair is still thriving, you guys. Like I said, I do love this hair. It's like the older it gets, the better. But look, let me get my shoulder right. But yeah, the older it gets, I feel like the better. Like, look at this hair, baby. Yes, but it's still holding up. Like I said, I do wash it maybe every 2 weeks, and I've been taking really good care of it. I make sure I tie it down with a silk scarf. But this is the 2-month update on Kendra's hair boutique. Get into it, honey. Like I said, this hair holds up. I feel like this hair will last for a really long time. I feel like it was a good investment for this particular hair, because baby, I can at least get 2 more wears out of this hair. I might even make it into a wig, even though I really don't wear wigs that much, but I'm thinking about trying it out. But yes, this is the 2-month update of Kendra's hair boutique. Get into it, honey. Party over here. Ain't nothing over there. Alrighty guys, so that will conclude Kendra's hair boutique review. If you like what you see here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm out. Peace.